Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a print quality report from a HP Photosmart 5520. This is quite simple and can be done by this little LCD display on the front of the printer. Now what we need to do is go into the setup menu, which you can see a little spanner on the top right hand side of the touchscreen. So we press that, and then we go into Tools, and the print quality report is the bottom option. So we press to go into that. Now this will take just a second. Now, with the printing complete, you should have a page that looks similar to this. Now, you've got an example of the text up here, which all looks okay, but down here we've got a breakdown of black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Now, if there's any stripes here, that is indicative of a print quality issue. If, however, you've got an entire colour missing, then there's a serious issue there. We're going to have to do some cleans to try and pull that through. I suspect the black portion of the printhead's gone in this printer since it's completely clean. Just because you have the text and stuff up here, that's quite often done by combining all of the colours to get what's called a composite black. But this will have been produced using purely the black ink cartridge through the black portion of the printhead. So that does look to be a problem there. Any issues with colours that can't be resolved with cleaning, unfortunately, are likely to be an issue with the printer's printhead, which is pretty fatal. You can source replacement printheads, but they tend to be quite expensive and generally outweigh the cost of the machine. But hopefully yours is looking better than that. If you have a minor print quality issue, I'd recommend persevering with some cleans and then checking the print quality again afterwards. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments below. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.